Welcome to After Effects CC Tips, Tricks, and Techniques. My name is David Dodds, and welcome to the exciting world of motion design. Here's a little bit about myself. I'm an animator. I have worked for some of the best studios in the entertainment industry. I'm an author of a book on motion design, and I'm an educator. I teach at UCLA. I teach motion design. Learn more about me at my website right here at www.daviddodds.net. So let's take a look at the course overview. This course is broken up into 5 sections. The first section is called Working with Different File Types, Animating 2D Layers and Text. And the goal for this section is basically to learn the basics of how to edit different layer types. Okay, section 2, Applying Impressive Animations in After Effects. The goal for this section is to get up to speed with different animation techniques. Section 3, Animate a variety of data and avatar icons. The goal of Section 3 is to use the animation techniques in a real-world project. Section 4, 3D layers and camera tracking. The goal behind Section 4 is to understand the fascinating and professional world of 3D and the power of VFX tools, such as camera tracking. And Section 5, create stunning visual effects. The goal behind Section 5 is to use a variety of visual effects tricks that the professionals use. The prerequisites for this course is a basic understanding of how to use a computer, a copy of Adobe After Effects, Illustrator, Character Animator, and Photoshop, CC 2019. Be determined to learn new After Effects techniques. And optionally, the book Hands-On with Motion Graphics with After Effects, CC. And some extra information, each section will have a follow-along project. And here are the course goals. Create beautiful motion graphics. Learn animation techniques, best practices for exporting your videos, create slick type animation, add music to your motion graphics, color correct footage, learn time remapping, and learn motion blur techniques. Without further ado, let's get started.